With chips, let's get a closer look at the disaster du jour of Intel, which is sliding another 7% as the company launches its newest AI chip in Berlin. And the stock is coming off its best day in nearly 2 years. On news, the company is exploring strategic options with bankers, but we're talking about a 60% drop in the shares since January, on pace for their worst year on record. They're down nearly 70% since Pat Gelsinger became CEO 3.5 years ago, hovering near their lowest level since 2010. And we wonder whether today's announcement will mark a meaningful turning point in the company's efforts. Let's bring in Seema Mody with a closer look at that. Seema?
Well, Kelly, Intel revealing in the last hour its newest Window PC chip, Lunar Lake. Presenting this product was Intel senior executive Jim Johnson, who says his team has really overhauled the entire architecture, its design, its construction. Intel says its newest product is faster than its previous generation by 30%, Meteor Lake, and faster than its competitors, AMD and Qualcomm, that have competing products on the market. Now, Microsoft executive also joined Intel on stage, sharing that Copilot Plus, its built-in AI assistant, will feature Intel's newest core processor. The first Copilot Plus used Qualcomm processors. Intel's newest PC chip will also be featured in more than 80 new laptop designs across 20 manufacturers worldwide. The next gen Ultra processor does come amid a flurry of restructuring talks that you were highlighting, Kelly. And I reported last Friday that Intel executives are working around the clock to come up with these restructuring options to present at this month's board meeting. Reuters separately reporting that selling Altera, which it bought for $16 billion back in 2015, is one option on the table. We're looking at shares down about 7% today, but it did gain about 12% last week, Kelly.
So that gain, as you said, was on the idea that they might be exploring their options. What would those options be?
Looks like there are a couple different options that the company is exploring. One is selling certain parts of their business, whether it's Altera, that acquisition they made back in 2015. They took Mobileye public last year as well, Kelly, so there's an opportunity to sell down some of its stake. And then there's the whole question around its foundry business, this whole idea of building domestic chips here in the U.S. They have 5 plants that are in development, but as you know, it's capital intensive, very expensive. And so there's been some talk about whether CEO Pat Gelsinger would look at selling that business, although that would be slightly controversial given that that has been a big part of his whole strategy overall to turn around Intel.
All right. And quickly, Seema, do we know why? Do they often have annual events in Berlin to announce new technology, or what's the background for today's announcements?
Sure. This is the IFA Berlin Tech Conference that happens on an annual basis, and Intel typically is one of the companies that presents. Tomorrow we'll be expecting an announcement from Qualcomm.
But Pat Gelsinger himself is not there for this announcement. Is that unusual?
He is not. That's a great point. CEO Pat Gelsinger is not there. We will be hearing from Intel's CFO tomorrow at the Citi Global Tech Conference, so we'll be looking for comments from Intel's CFO.